Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Find the value of a plus b where 1 upon factorial a minus 1 upon factorial b is equal to 3 divided by factorial 1 plus 1, 3 divided by factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus factorial 3 plus 4 divided by factorial 2 plus factorial 3 plus factorial 4, so on 22 divided by factorial 20 plus factorial 21 plus factorial 22. So what can we observe over here? 3 is written, then 4 is written, so on up to 22 is written. So this term will be there for n is equal to 3. This term will be there for n is equal to 4. And this term will be there for n is equal to 22. So what would be the general form of the term? N divided by factorial n at the end would be written over here, plus n minus 1 factorial would be written over here, plus n minus 2 factorial would be written over here. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's proceed further and see what can be done by me. So n minus 2 factorial I'll be going to take common over here, and finally 1 will be remaining over here, plus n minus 1 will be remaining over here, plus n into n minus 1 factor n minus 1 will be remaining over here. Now let's proceed further. What can be done by us? So n divided by n minus 2 factorial is written by me. 1 plus n minus 1 can be taken common by me, plus multiplied by 1 plus n will be remaining. Now let's proceed further and see what can be done by me. N divided by n minus 2 factorial is written by me, multiplied by 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by n plus 1 it will be. And guys, we already know n minus 1 into n plus 1, n square minus 1 square it will be, that is n square minus 1 it will be. So n divided by n minus 2 factorial we know, then 1 plus n square minus 1 it will be. So this plus 1 and this minus 1 will be getting cancelled over here. So further simplification when we'll be doing, n minus 2 factorial we have in denominator multiplied by n square we have. So n will be cancelling n from the denominator. Further simplification when we'll be doing, 1 divided by n multiplied by n minus 2 factorial we have. Guys, if I'll be going to multiply and divide by n minus 1, so denominator would be becoming what? It would be becoming n minus 2 factorial multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n. That means n factorial it will be becoming. So let's multiply it by n minus 1 and divide it by n minus 1. Now let's see what is written by me. Simplifying it further, it can be written by me n minus 1 divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So this is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, that means n factorial it will be becoming. So further simplification will be giving me n minus 1 divided by n factorial will be written by me. Now separate it out. What can be written by me? N divided by n factorial minus 1 divided by n factorial. Now simplify n factorial. How it can be written by me? N divided by n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial minus 1 divided by n factorial. Now n will be cancelling this n. Finally it can be written by me 1 divided by n minus 1 factorial minus 1 upon n factorial. And which thing's general form it is? It's the general form of n divided by. N factorial was written at the end. Then n minus 1 factorial was written just before that thing. And before that thing, n minus 2 factorial was written. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now sir, how will be going to simplify the question using this form? So we'll be going to apply telescopic form using this final derived form. Let's bring down the question. That will be very much useful for me to solve it further. So the question statement we have and the simplification form we have. Together we will solve the question. Guys, for n is equal to 3, when I'll be going to use this form, so the RHS portion I would have to use it over here. So this thing will be going to become 1 upon n minus n is equal to 3, we are knowing, 2 factorial minus 1 divided by 3 factorial. Then further when we'll be going to solve for n is equal to 4, so that will be becoming 1 upon 3 factorial minus 1 divided by 4 factorial. Similarly, we'll be keeping on going. For n is equal to 5, when I'll be going to write it over here, it will be becoming, for n is equal to 5, 1 upon 4 factorial minus 1 upon 5 factorial. Goes on till n is equal to 22 when I'll be going. So the final term will be written by me, 1 upon 21 factorial minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, 22 factorial. Now let's see what all things are getting cancelled. So minus 1 by 3 factorial will be getting cancelled with plus 1 by 3 factorial, minus 1 by 4 factorial with plus 1 by 4 factorial, minus 1 by 5 factorial with plus 1 by 5 factorial. Similarly, minus 1 by 21 factorial with plus 1 by 21 factorial. So finally, we will be remaining up with 1 upon 2 factorial minus 1 upon 22 factorial. And guys, what it was given equal to 1 upon a factorial minus 1 upon b factorial. So a will be becoming equal to what? 22, and b will be becoming equal to what? A will be becoming equal to what? 2 only, and b will be becoming equal to what? 22. What they have asked it to me? They have asked it to me the value of a plus b. So 2 plus 22 will be the final answer for this question. That means 24 is the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, my dear students. Also put your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. Thanks for your support.